So we are on Great Dividend Pound and United States dollars. So the trend is going down. So trend is going down. Wait till candle expire on this. Okay. We'll open one basic trade for 5 minutes for uptrend, and for 1 minute for we'll open for downtrend as well. It goes up. So guys, we're working on parabolic SAR with 0.02. And we'll open one more trade on Netflix as well. So we'll see the market. The Netflix is very going down, and also I want to open downtrend, but no, because the dots are very clear, and this is come again from down. So we'll make uptrend for 2 minutes. Also we'll try to take dragon trade, but we shouldn't go to down. However, the trade is uptrend only, so that is my bet for you guys. We'll go to McDonald's, but we don't want to eat in that. One trend was closed. I'll check what was that. Amazon also don't want. IOD and USD will check in this. The trend is very up. The trend is going up, but open here. Okay. Oh no, it is going to do it. So not a problem. We'll check with that also, and we'll open a trend in Facebook too. So the trend is going down, slowly getting up. So we'll make a 2 minutes uptrend. And okay, this game is us. The trend will go up only, because see, the parabolic SAR is still slowly getting down. When the candle the parabolic SAR, when it intersects the candles, when it comes down like this, a one dot already came. So then we need to open a uptrend. This is reversible dot. The parabolic SAR is totally reversible. So we'll check all trades. So in Facebook, so almost we are getting positive response itself. So in Netflix will only have 18 seconds, 17 seconds. Slowly we are getting close. And your UD USD is also, we are in positive only. So my thinking is very positive, and I'm great. BBP USD, so what the fuck, man. Already a trend is closed. Already. What about this fucking Facebook, man? So it is also getting a positive response only. And AUD and USD has 27 seconds to go, and 26, 25, 24, 23, 21. We'll check it out. Okay, see guys, unable to close. Thank you. I don't even want to close also. And what about this GBP USD? Great Britain Pound is also great. See, when this candle intersects, so sorry, what the fuck is coming again downtrend. Oh no, man. See how markets change. Not a problem. Also we have some little changes, but not more. So we'll try to sell. See, now Facebook is performing very positively with me. So I think Facebook was scared of me. And GBP USD also is very positive right now, and is going uptrend, but we don't have many chances to win this game, because the parabolic SAR is on top of the candlesticks. So let us check. We'll have more 40 seconds, 42, 41, 40 seconds to go to win the game. And we'll check another result. So Euro composite, what is this? So it's slowly getting up. Must take 3 minutes straight for uptrend. Yes. Okay, we'll let this candle expire. Okay, for 1 minute we'll take candle, let it get pulled back. Okay, oh no man, see GBP/USD is also closed very positively, so I'm trading very well, so that is not a problem. And we'll open another trade. We'll open another trade on which, on, see, always choose 82%. Anyhow we are trading very well. Always choose 82%. Let this get pulled back, or else expire this candle. So it won't get pulled back, but open trend here, open downtrend. Also we can open dragon trade, but let us check. Asian Composite is very dangerous because we don't know when market changes on this. Let us check. Our trade was closed trade. See my trades, almost I'm in profit only with my trades. See, and what about Facebook? On with that, Facebook was very tough. See, for past it has been like 1.30 seconds till it is in downtrend only. Slowly it got up, and slowly it fall down also. And after that, AUD USD, it goes good, but even I'm afraid of that because somewhat it shows a downtrend. Also Asian trade component also closed the trade. I won the trade also this. And see how the market is performed. Market performed very tough, but still okay, not a problem. What about this Euro Compass? Why this gone? See, so this is the problem. So no problem guys, so we'll open a trend and a 3 minutes uptrend. Okay, 3 minutes uptrend from this. So see this market. See, in front of you I open the in Asian Composite. See this market, how it changes in the end. Also we will win the game, but it shocks us. See, and we'll try another also in not interested. Open in commodity composite, and the trend is up. Open only in 1 minute trade. Okay, because see, suddenly the parabolic charts goes up, so we can't find anything on this. So let it go up maximum. The trade is uptrend only, so let us check, but I'm sure it is uptrend only. And what is next? Where this apple dies? We'll open in Google. Google is fucking itself only. So we'll open uptrend for 2 minutes, because I don't think so the it will come down and will win the game. We'll open commodity composite index. Why this gone? Because we'll check that also, because we need to know our mistakes what we have done. And Google is performing, I think, very bad. Asian Composite Index is going good. See, we'll check what happens here. See, the market dies here because we opened we would have think first only for this. The Google is also performing good, and Asian Composite fucking itself again, so it is also good again. Cool. What happened to this Asian Composite, man? See guys, I already said you the market will shocks us in Google also and Asian Composites. Anyhow we will win this game. Already I said you this market will shocks us, and we open trend for I think we opened this trade for 3 minutes, unable to close. Already said you the market will shocks us in the end, but anyhow we'll win the game. See game is ours. See, the game is ours only. Not matter whether it is in demo account or real account, but we need to be confident and shouldn't fear about money. It goes, it comes, but we shouldn't fear. And also I think it will go uptrend only because the starts down. Why this is not moving? I think we have little hope it will go up. No man, like oh, see how market changes. This is what I want. This is the game actually. This is what I want. This and in the end it shocks us. And also we'll open in Euro USD. Where this gone? Okay. The trend goes up. Let it. We should open uptrend, but let it get pull back. Okay. For 2 minutes, and we'll also can open dragon trade in this. Okay. Oh man, the problem is with this mobile. Maximum shouldn't trade in mobile, but so we'll check. I think we don't win this game, but we'll check. So I'll explain you, and see, take something. We don't need such a like that. Take something when these parabolic dots, when this cross this candles, when this come down of these candles, so we think the trade is going uptrend. Okay, the market is going upward direction. So see, for 5 minutes, so this maximum time is 5 minutes itself. So when the dots come down, when the dots come above these candles, so we need to open downtrend. Why this gone? All three are in red color itself, but why would open? See, the market changes suddenly. As I said you, the market changes suddenly, so not a problem, leave it. See, all two are very positive, and Euro USD is also very positive for $50, and we open trend for $61. We'll get profit of $50.02 in 18 seconds, and 17 seconds it goes to 0 seconds itself with green color. So we'll check it out. Come fast. Okay, see how market changes. And also Euro USD is also closed for $50.02, and I think this will close, maybe. I don't think so, but we'll have some chances on that. But why this got, what happened to this, where this market changes? So in my view, the parabolic is best for among all this what we say, all these indicators and strategies. The parabolic SAR is very best. Almost, see my fancy number 444. Slowly the trend is getting down. I don't have hope on this that we will win this game, so we'll check in another, because this time limit of 5 minutes, I don't think that still I don't like, I didn't see in the burst. So open the trend. Now this is very hard. See, we shouldn't open a trade in this. We shouldn't open a trade in this because see the candles are very slow in 15 seconds time period, so we shouldn't open any trend in this. So we'll check out from this and we'll go to again Netflix. McDonald's also no, the movement will be very fast in that. So see guys, see the trend is going upwards direction, but we shouldn't think the trend is upward direction because the slowly it comes down and slowly it's going up, and the candle is also very short and the shadow candle shadow is getting down. So we'll let this candle expire. Only 5 seconds, 4 seconds left over to expire the candle. Let this candle expire. See the how market is getting down and open downtrend for 3 minutes. So we'll check. I think the trend is going down.